Today's fashion manufacturers face continually rising labour costs, increased complexity, and dramatically shorter lead times. The only way to stay profitable and competitive is to boost both speed and efficiency. These are very real challenges. Factories like yours need to consider multiple factors before they're even able to quote accurate delivery dates to buyers. Coordinating and prioritising everything that is needed to start production on time is an arduous and demanding task. Are you still relying on time-consuming manual processes, disconnected spreadsheets, documents and emails for planning and pre-production, despite investing in a computerized business system? You're not alone. Typically, significant firefighting is required just to start orders on time, to keep sewing lines running, and to meet delivery dates. By the time problems are identified, it is often already too late to avoid them, resulting in additional costs. Some businesses have compensated by increasing inventory, but this is high cost, risky, and is not consistent with a fast, lean approach. Fast React Evolve is a unique, flexible, automated, and scalable production planning tool, specially developed to help fashion manufacturers plan quickly and accurately, and to communicate and coordinate more easily. Evolve is proven to reduce firefighting, delivering a smoother production flow, significant cost benefits, and the faster response that is now so critical. In the face of relentless demands for increased speed, efficiency, and reliability, traditional planning methods are simply not sustainable. To compete effectively, you need best practice processes and technology. Evolve is trusted by brands and manufacturers across the globe, from small factories to multinational businesses, from high-volume basics to single-piece orders. Ask your local Fast React team of experienced consultants to visit you to demonstrate in more detail how Evolve can help your business.